have one or two or five students group, try to mentor them, try to guide them in your area of expertise. Those who can deliver some talks on current technologies, current things which are happening in the industry, which are happening in the government, that will also be very good. Because with this, and see, the group should be, why I said from final year, third year, second year, because as soon as that final year comes out of the institute, that becomes alumni. So there will be a chain bonding from your institution to your alumni. That is one thing. Another thing is that there are different schemes which sitting at Allahabad probably we are not able to exploit up to the full extent. Those schemes are from Government of India. Some of us, they are from Government of India, they know the different kinds of schemes. Plus, some of the activities, those who are in the industry, they can start some problem, practical problem can be given to a group of a student. That problem can become the part of their final year project, and you can be a remote mentor from here. One faculty member who is supervisor over there, the group means remote mentor and supervisor, they can coordinate, and that will be a good thing because something practical will come out of it, and once if something good is coming out of it, go for patents, go for publications. This is the second aspect where we can immediately start contributing, and fruits of that will start coming up maybe within a year's time, and that's the kind of pleasure which we will derive out of all the objectives which we have set over here. Third important thing is that if we are having a proper interaction from the industry side, lot of opportunities are there in the industries. We can take some kind of R&D project, and that project can be executed at JK Institute by a group of students. That project principal investigator can be one of the faculty members from the department, and that wise another kind of interaction can be there. And third and the last one is in terms of internship and placement, probably about which Rajesh Bhai has already explained. So I will not go into the details of those modalities. But one of the important thing is, I have seen many alumni meets there. I was secretary, I organized, every year we are organizing alumni meet over there in Allahabad, in JK Institute. I have seen many alumni meets of NIT Allahabad. I have got an opportunity to go to some of the other alumni association meeting of IIT Roorkee and IIT BHU. But see, the ground reality is that when we are collecting, then it is very good. We are interacting, we are talking, we will do this, we will do that. So, but after this, nothing happens. So, my simple appeal is that whatever you select out of these lists which are here, or even your own idea, anything which is not here, which may not have been covered here, you feel like just write a mail, drop a mail that in this way I am willing to contribute. You write a mail to Smriti Shala, you can write a mail to Professor Shukla, and rest assured that sitting at Allahabad, at least we too can take the guarantee that whatever best possible way in which your idea can be implemented, that will be implemented. So start something. We have to start something. As in our alumni association also at JK Institute, it's good that we are meeting every year. So my again emphasis is that whatever things are here, and I'll request the organizers of Smriti Shala to keep your presentation on the Smriti Shala website, so that those who could not come here physically, they can look at these objectives, and you can invite the comments and suggestions so that somebody else may also give you some constructive thing. We are open. We should be open, and we should take the things from all good things from everyone and try to meet the objectives. Thank you very much for providing me the opportunity to speak to you.